Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Cooking cabbage in the oven is a game changer for this often overlooked vegetable. When roasted, cabbage transforms from ordinary to extraordinary, developing a wonderful tenderness and a subtle, satisfying sweetness you might not expect. This method creates beautiful caramelized edges, adding incredible depth of flavor. It's also surprisingly easy to prepare, making it a perfect, healthy side dish for any meal. Get ready to fall in love with cabbage all over again. Preparing your cabbage for roasting is straightforward. First, pull off any outer leaves that look wilted or damaged, then give the entire head a good rinse under cool water. It is important to pat the cabbage completely dry with a clean towel. Excess moisture prevents proper browning. Finally, cut your cabbage into wedges, aiming for about 1 inch in thickness, ensuring the core remains attached to keep the leaves neatly together during cooking. Seasoning is where you can truly personalize your roasted cabbage. Drizzle your prepped cabbage wedges generously with a good quality olive oil, making sure each piece is well coated. The oil helps with browning and flavor. Then, season simply with salt and freshly ground black pepper for a delicious, straightforward taste. Feel free to experiment with other spices like garlic powder, smoked paprika, or even a touch of red pepper flakes if you enjoy a little heat. Now for the magic. Roasting. Spread your seasoned cabbage wedges in a single layer on a large baking sheet. Avoid overcrowding to ensure even cooking. Roast in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure to flip the cabbage wedges halfway through the cooking time for consistent browning. Your cabbage is ready when it is wonderfully tender, and the edges are nicely caramelized, offering a fantastic texture and taste. Your oven-roasted cabbage is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately as a wonderfully versatile side dish that complements almost any meal. It pairs beautifully with roasted chicken, flaky fish, or even hearty grilled meats. This simple roasting technique truly transforms basic cabbage into something special, enhancing its natural flavors and texture significantly. It is a fantastic way to incorporate more vegetables into your diet, easily and deliciously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.